Hello and welcome to MGS version 5 tutorial series. In this one we will be installing a fresh copy of the MGS to start developing our game. So let's get started. So this is my Epic launcher. If we go straight to multiplayer game system and create a new project. Just a quick note, I'm using the 425.3 at the moment. So create, I'll call it just MGS, and let's call it underscore version 5. Oh, I already have something in there. Okay, let's call it, I don't know, nope, that's not allowed, underscore version 0.5. okay, that works. So MGS underscore version 5, and let's add a 0 in there as well. You can name it whatever you want, obviously. Create, and let's wait for it. It shouldn't take too long, unless obviously if it's the very first time that you are installing, then that's a different story. But because I already have it in my cache, so it took just a few seconds. So if we go up now, we should have a new project called MGS underscore version 0.5. Double click it. So the idea of this video, it's just to make sure that we have a workable MGS version and see if we get any errors when we do a fresh install. I can see that it's loading, but it's on my other window, so other screen I mean. Let me just bring it in here. There we go. So this is a whole new fresh install. If we look here, we might get, you know, this kind of errors. This is basically most of those errors or warnings, I should say, related to your individual hardware. So in my case, I get this error, and I already googled this one, and it's because my screen doesn't support HDR or high dynamic range. So I can just go ahead in here and say, where is it, this one. So this is related to my screen, maybe also my graphic card, I don't know, but basically HDR is not supported, so I'll remove it so I don't get any other stuff. Okay, now if we just hit play, here we go. So we can select a character, start game. Obviously the very first time you start, you get some little bit of delay because it's caching some stuff. The main thing, now that we know that it works, so no problems here. Let's see, MGS divided by 0, and we get a bunch of errors here. Build license, engine class, texture streaming. Yeah, okay, I will have to ignore all of those because it looks like something with the engine, so it's not related directly to MGS. So throughout the tutorial series, if we see that those errors are causing us any troubles, we will go back and sort them out. Otherwise I will have to ignore them for now, because it doesn't look like something wrong with the actual MGS. It's all related to the engine itself, and you get that kind of errors depending on the version that you are using. So every single version with Unreal Engine comes with some changes, and those changes can cause some troubles. But hopefully in the next update, the next version, I think it will be 4.26. I don't think that they will do any 25.4 anymore. I think they will go straight to 26. So in version 4.26, hopefully those errors will be solved. Also, MGS will be updated with a new version anyway. So hopefully we will get rid of those. But for now, we know that it's working. We know that it doesn't crash. So we can go ahead and start our tutorial and see how can we add, characters, characters, missions, armors, pickups, you name it. Okay, so this was a quick one just to show that we can install it without any crashes or anything. And I hope to see you on the next one. Have a lovely one. Bye bye.